Hello everyone, welcome back to yet another exciting episode where we delve into the business of pharmacy with Dr. Lisa. You're welcome.
Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die.
So today we are going to discuss the legal steps that you must take in order to open up your own pharmacy. It's important for you to note that National Drug Authority is the official regulator of pharmacy business in Uganda. So if you're interested in this business, get acquainted with who they are, where they are located in the areas near you, and get a grasp of what you need to have in order to have a pharmacy. The first thing you need to do is get a location. If it is a retail pharmacy, your location should have a floor area of 20 square meters. If it is a wholesale pharmacy, it should be 41 square meters and above. Once this is done, have the details of that premise that you have identified. You need to know the village, the zone, the location, the specific physical location of that place. And then you take that information to NDA together with your phone contacts, your email addresses, and all the information that is relevant to who you are. You need to know the distance to the nearest pharmacy. It should be 200 meters and above away from the nearest pharmacy that is in line with the one you're applying for. So if you're applying for retail, you should be 200 meters away from the nearest retail. And if you're applying for wholesale, you should be 200 meters away from the nearest wholesale. NDA will then receive your application and send an inspector to come and ensure that whatever you have filled out in this document is the reality on the ground. So in this moment, you will have to be patient. During this time, you can begin the registration of your company because a pharmacy is a company. Company registration is done with URSB. In my next video, I'll delve deeper into the process of registering a company, all the ins and outs, and what you need to know. Stay tuned. Once your location has been approved by NDA, you will be given an approval letter or asked to pick it from your nearest NDA office. And with this letter, you will need to attach the memorandum of articles that are part of the company document. It is at this point that you would have obtained a pharmacist. You will also need a sketch plan of your premises, a TIN certificate from URA, and a commitment letter from your supervising pharmacist. The pharmacist should also provide you a certificate of registration and your membership certificate that is up to date and a cover letter. You also need to put together the Form 20, board resolution, and company certificate of incorporation. Along with this, consider your pharmacy auxiliary staff documents. Pharmacy auxiliary staff documents include a practicing license, a certificate of registration, a commitment letter, and a national ID. Once you have these documents, add them together with that NDA approval letter and give them to your pharmacist, who will submit them into the NDAMIS portal as an application to NDA. For more information about the NDAMIS portal, I'll discuss it in my next video, so stay tuned. This process usually takes between 1 to 4 months depending on how fast you are at making these documents available. So I wish you the best of luck and may God be with you as you go through this journey.